Okay, please stand up. Okay, now we are going to start our yoga session. So starting with our yogic prayer. Okay, join your heels. Okay, join your palm and chant after my chanting. Om Sahanai Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahividyam Karva Vahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vishavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yes, after the yogic prayer, now we are going to start our warm-up exercise. For that, slowly bounce your feet on the ground. Yes, now bounce. Yes, change, alternate. Yes, change. Yes, now slowly go down. Yes, up. Okay, feet apart. Okay, now we are going to start our stretching exercise. Slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Place it above your head. Interlock your hand. Now take a deep inhale. Exhale and come up on your toe and move forward. Yes, come back to your place. Okay, feet apart. Now take a deep inhale, exhale, and slowly bend forward. Hold the position, face facing towards the ground. Okay, don't bend your knee. 3, 4, 5. Slowly move to the right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Move to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just come forward and raise your hand up. Feet apart according to your shoulder width level. Now take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend your knee and raise your hand up. Don't bend your elbow. Keep your spine straight and chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bring your hands sideward. Okay, feel the stretch on your back. Don't bend your elbow. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now we'll go for the breathing exercise. Slowly bend forward. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Once more time. Bend forward. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Last time. Bend forward. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Yes. Now place your hand on your hip. Now we are going to start the rotation, each and every rotation of each and every joints of our body part. So we'll start from the neck rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change from another side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring your hand front. Now we'll go for the outside rotation. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to the inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring your hand in front of your chest. Now we'll go for the stretching of our chest. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bring your hand front. Now we'll go for the flexion and extension of our elbow joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we'll go for the wrist rotation. Outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to the inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring your right hand front and pull your fingers towards yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now pull your left fingers towards yourself. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now join your heels together. Bring your hand side of your thigh. Now slowly bring your right hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend to the left side. Now feel the stretch on the right side of your body part. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now so bring your left hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend toward the right side. Now feel the stretch on the left side of your body part. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, feet apart. Now we'll go for the forward and the backward bending. So we'll start with our backward bending. For that, place your thumb in the middle of your spine and all the fingers pointing toward the outside. Now take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend backward. Okay, drop your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, slowly come up and slowly bend forward and place your hand on the ground. Okay, don't bend your knee. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, slowly up. Now place your hand on your hip. Now we'll go for the hip rotation. Start from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now from the right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now we'll go for the stretching of a pelvis joint. For that, toe pointing toward the sideward, heel facing each other toward the inside. Now slowly bend your knee and place your elbow just over your knee joint and slowly push your knee with the help of your elbow toward the backward and feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly up. Yes, now fold your mat and stand on your knee. Fold your mat and stand on your knee. Now slowly bring your right foot front. Place your heel on the ground and slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Okay, don't bend your knee. Don't bend your knee. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the same position, shift your body weight on your right feet and place your hand just over your right knee. After that, slowly roll your shoulder back and chest up. 1, and chin up. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, now bring your feet toward the right side and place your right hand on your hip. Now slowly bring your left hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend toward the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just come back. Now bring your left foot front. Place your heel on the ground. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Now feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the same position, shift your body weight on your left feet and place your hand just over your knee. After that, roll your shoulder back and chest up and chin up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now bring your left foot to the left side, the inner side of your toe, heel on the ground. Place your left hand on your hip. Now still bring your right hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend to the left side. Now feel the stretch on the right side of your body part. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, unfold your mat and come in long sitting position. Okay, feet apart as much as you can. Feet apart as much as you can. Heel on the ground. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Yes, hold the position. Don't bend your knee. Feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, still come back. Now bend your left knee and bring your right foot a little bit to the inside, which make a 45-degree angle. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Yes, hold the position. Don't bend your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, come back. Now bend your right knee and bring your left foot a little bit to the inside, which will make a 45-degree angle. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Okay, don't bend your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, up. Now join your heels together and slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Now hold your ankle with the help of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, up. Now place your hand on your back, fingers pointing to the sideward. Now bend your left knee. Now raise your right foot up and place it just above your left knee and try to touch your chin to your ankle joint and place your butt on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now bend your right knee and raise your left foot up and place it just above your right knee and try to touch your chin to your left ankle. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now join your heels together. Now we'll go for the ankle rotation from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from the right side. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, lie down and be in Shavasana for 1 minute. Okay, be in Shavasana. Okay, feet apart. Okay, feet apart. Now toe pointing toward the sideward. Heel facing each other to the inside. Place your hand a little bit away from your body and the palm facing upward. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly join your heels together. Now bring your hand side of your thigh. Turn to the right side. Push the ground with the help of your left hand and come in standing position. Now we are going to perform 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Okay, join your heels. Bring your hand side of your thigh. Now we are going to perform 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, lie down and be in Shavasana. Okay, feet apart. Feet apart. Now toe pointing toward the sideward. Heel facing each other to the inside. Now slowly join your heels together. Bring your hand side of your thigh. Now first asana we are going to perform on supine position. The name of the asana is Supta Matsyendrasana. For that, slowly bring your hands sideward, which make a T shape. Palm on the ground. Palm on the ground. Now slowly bend your right knee. Pull it towards yourself and slowly place it on the left side with the help of your hand and facing towards the left side. Face facing towards the left side. And feel the stretch on your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Now bend your left knee, pull it towards yourself and the face facing towards the left side, and place your knee on the right side with the help of your right hand and feel the stretch on your back. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Now slowly join your heels together, bring your hands side of your thigh. Okay, next asana. The name of the asana is Arthapon Muktasana. For that, slowly bend your knee together. Bend your right knee. Bend your right knee. And slowly place it to yourself. Pull your knee towards yourself. Hold your knee with the help of your hand in interlock position. And up. Yes, up. Stretch your toe forward. Stretch your toes forward and feel the pressure on your abdomen. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now bend your left knee and pull it towards yourself. Hold your knee with the help of your hand in interlock position and up. Up. Try to touch your chin to your knee and feel the pressure on your abdomen. Stretch your toes forward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly join your heels together. Bring your hands side of your thigh. Okay, next asana, that is Purna Pawan Muktasana. For that, bend your knee together. Pull it towards yourself. Hold your knee with the help of your hand in interlock position. And up. Up. Okay, try to touch your chin to your knee. Stretch your toes forward and feel the stretch on your abdomen. Hold the position. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, roll yourself front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly join your heels together. Bring your hands side of your thigh. Okay, next asana. The name of the asana is Setu Bandhasan. The bridge pose. For that, tuck in your shirt for the girls. Tuck in your shirt. Now slowly bend your knee. Bend your knee together. Maintain a gap between your knee. Maintain a gap between your feet. Place your palm on the ground near to your thigh. Now slowly push the ground. Push the ground with the help of your hand and raise your hip up. Raise your hip up and stand on your shoulder. Stand on your shoulder so that there will be a curve on your back. Let's hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Join your heels together. Bring your hands side of your thigh. Okay, last asana on supine position. That is Naukasana. For that, place your hand just above your thigh. Place your hand just above your thigh and up. Yes, up. Stretch your toes forward. Stretch your toe forward and feel the stretch. Feel the pressure on your abdomen. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly join your heels together, bring your hand side of your thigh, turn to the right side, push the ground with help of your left hand and come in a proline or the abdominal position. The face facing towards the forward front. Now come in relaxed pose. Come in relaxed pose. The toe pointing to the sideward, heel facing each other to the inside. Now slowly join your heels together. Okay, first asana we are going to perform on abdominal position, that is Ardha Bhujangasana. Okay, for that join your heels together. Join your heels together, stretch your toes. Now slowly place your hand just near to your rib cage. Elbow pointing upward. Now slowly push the ground and up. Yes, chin up, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly join your heels together. Stretch your toe, join your heels and stretch your toes. Okay, next asana, Purna Bhujangasana. Okay, for that, place your hand near to your rib cage. Okay, elbow pointing toward upward. Now slowly push the ground and up. Yes, up. Okay, chin up. Don't shrunk your shoulder. Feel the stretch on your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly join your heels together. Okay, next asana, Matsyendrasana, the spinal twist on abdominal position. For that, slowly bring your hand sideward, palm on the ground. Now place your chin on the ground. Place your chin on the ground. Now slowly raise your right foot up, bend and place it on the left side. Place your chin on the ground. Place your chin on the ground. Don't shift your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Now raise your left foot up, bend, and place it on the right side. Hold the position. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just come back. Come in relaxed pose. Now slowly join your heels. Okay, next asana, the name of the asana is Naukasana, the boat pose on abdominal position. For that, slowly bring your hands sideward, palm on the ground, place your chin on the ground, and up. Yes, up, up, up. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly join your heels together. Now last asana on abdominal position, that is Dhanurasana, the bow pose. For that, slowly bend your knee together. Hold your ankle with help of your hand. Push the ground with help of your abdomen and up. As chin up, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly push the ground with the help of your hand and bend your knee and maintain a gap between your knee and slowly bend forward. Okay, bend forward, maintain a gap between your knee. Yes, slowly up. Yes, come up. Come in long sitting position. Come in a long sitting position. Come in relaxed pose, feet apart. The toe pointing toward the sideward, heel facing each other to the inside. Now place your hand on your back and the fingers pointing toward the outside, and place your head either to the right or the left shoulder. Now first asana we're going to perform on long sitting position. The name of the asana is Purnamasana. Okay, for that, feet apart as much as you can. Now bring your hand side of your thigh. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward, place it above your head, take a deep inhale, exhale and slowly bend forward. Okay, be there wherever you reach. Don't bend your knee and hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, come back. Okay, next asana, the name of the asana is Janushirasana. For that, bend your left knee, bring your right foot a little bit to the inside, which make a 45-degree angle, heel on the ground and the toe pointing upward. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head, take a deep inhale, exhale and slowly bend forward. Don't bend your knee. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's up. Now bend your right knee. Bend your right knee and bring your left foot a little bit to the inside, which make a 45-degree angle, heel on the ground and the toe pointing upward. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward, place it above your head, take a deep inhale, exhale and slowly bend forward. Okay, don't bend your knee. Don't bend your knee. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Let's come back. Next asana, Pachchimi Uttanasana. For that, join your heels together. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward, place it above your head, take a deep inhale, exhale and slowly bend forward. Okay, don't bend your knee. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, come back. Okay, next asana or the last asana on long sitting position, that is Matsyendrasana on the long sitting position. For that, slowly bend your right knee and slowly bring your hand from the sideward, which will make a T shape, and slowly turn to the right side. Place your right hand on your back and the face facing towards the line of your shoulder, and feel the twist on your back. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back. Now bend your left knee. So bring your hand from the sideward and slowly turn to the left side and place your left hand on your back and fingers pointing toward the backward and the face facing towards the left side in the line of your shoulder. Hold the position. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come back. Now fold your mat and stand on your knee. Fold your mat and stand on your knee. Now we are going to perform Ustrasan, the camel pose. Ustrasan, the camel pose. Maintain a gap between your knee. Maintain a gap between your knee. Stretch your toes. Now slowly bring your hand in front of your chest. Now take a deep inhale. Exhale and go. Now place your palm of your hand on the palm of your feet. Okay, drop your head down. Drop your head down. If you want more stretch, okay, drop your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. Now bend forward, bend forward, bend forward. Yes, slowly up. Unfold your mat and come in standing position. Now join your heels together. Bring your hands side of your thigh. Now first asana we are going to perform on standing position. The name of the asana is Brikshasana. Now for that, slowly bend your right knee and place it inner side of your thigh, and slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Interlock your hand, except your index finger pointing toward the up, and concentrate on one point which is immovable. And this is a balance act. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your left knee and place it inner side of your left thigh. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Interlock your hand and index finger pointing toward the up, and stretch. Yes, hold the position. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, the next asana, that is Ardha Kadi Chakrasana. For that, fit apart according to your shoulder width level. Now slowly bring your right hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend to the left side. Now feel the stretch on the right side of your body part. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, come back. Now still bring your left hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend toward the right side. Hold the position. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's come back. Now slowly. Okay, next asana, the name of the asana is Utkat Asana, the chair pose. For that, slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Okay, feet apart according to your shoulder width level. Now slowly place it above your head, interlock your hand, except your index finger pointing toward the up. Now take a deep inhale, exhale, and slowly bend your knee. Now try to adjust your feet and try to stretch your spine up and come in chair pose, final position. Okay, don't bend your elbow, stretch it up, extend your elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Now last asana on standing position. The name of the asana is Bhadradasana. Okay, for that, feet apart as much as you can. Feet apart as much as you can. First, we're going to perform to the right side. Now, right toe pointing to the right side, left toe a little bit to the inside, and slowly bring your hand sideward, which make a T shape, and the face facing towards the right side, and slowly bend your right knee. Bend your right knee, and come in the final position. Yes, hold the position, face facing towards the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to perform toward the left side. Left toe pointing to the left side. Right toe a little bit toward the inside. And the face, now slowly bring your hand sideward, which make a T shape. Now slowly bend your knee and shift your body weight on your left feet and come in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, lie down and be in Shavasana. Lie down and be in Shavasana. Okay, feet apart. Feet apart. The toe pointing to the sideward. Heel facing each other to the inside. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now slowly move the fingers of your feet. Move the fingers of your feet. Move the fingers of your hand. Now slowly join your heels together. Here we come to at the end of the session. Join your heels together. Okay, join your palm and make a Namaskar mudra. And chant after my chanting. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your hand, make it warm. Massage on your eyeball. With the blink, open your eyes. Now turn to the right side, push the ground with the help of your hand, and come in a long sitting position or come in any comfortable pose. Just हमारे योगा सेशन के पश्चात आदरणीय कुलपति केंद्रीय तिब्बती संस्थान के कुलपति प्रोफेसर केशिंगाओ समदेन जी के अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि आज की उपलक्ष्य में कुछ 2 शब्द कहें।
आज के अंतर्राष्ट्रीय शिविर दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में यहाँ हमारे रजिस्ट्रार साहब और मेरे योग के प्रशिक्षक तथा प्रतिभागी लोग, आप लोगों को लगता होगा कि यहाँ हम लोग तो योग कर रहे थे और यहाँ एक बिना योग किए आदमी के बीच में आ गया। हम आप लोगों से भी पहले योग कर चुके हैं। योग दिवस मैं समझता हूँ कि ये एक जिस तरह अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस के रूप में मनाने की एक कल्पना माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने किया, मैं समझता हूँ कि ये पूरे विश्व के लिए बहुत ही एक उपयोगी चीज़ है और लोगों में एक जागरूकता लाने के लिए, और जब भाग लेते हैं और फिर उससे जब कुछ लाभ मिलना शुरू होता है तब समझ में आता है कि वास्तव में ये अपने जीवन में नियमित रूप से एक जीवन का अंग बनना चाहिए। हर समय करते हुए ये योग जो अभी हम लोग देख रहे हैं, लोग शारीरिक व्यायाम के रूप में, ये तो एक बाहरी चीज़ है जो हमें दृष्टिगोचर होता है, लेकिन इससे भी एक सूक्ष्म जो है वो भीतरी मानसिक योग है। और प्राचीन ये सब सारे कैसे विकसित हुआ, हजारों वर्षों की प्रक्रिया में, अवधि में धीरे धीरे ऋषि मुनियों के, साधकों के, सिद्धों के द्वारा विकसित एक प्रक्रिया है जो नैसर्गिक है, अत्यंत नैसर्गिक है। इसमें कोई बाह्य तत्वों का ये समावेश नहीं है। बिल्कुल अपने भीतर जो एक हाथ की जो वो है अपने शरीर है, उसी शरीर में सारे कुछ समाधान भी निहित हैं, समस्या भी उसी में। जहाँ तक स्वास्थ्य को लेकर के समस्याएं हैं, वो सारे समस्याएं जो है उसी शरीर में पाए जाते हैं और उसका समाधान भी उसी शरीर में है। और उसको लेकर के जहाँ तक बाह्य अर्थात व्यायाम से और अनुलोम विलोम से, कपालभाति से, अनेक तरह की जो ये योग है, वो उससे भी एक शारीरिक रोग समाप्त करने के लिए, अंत करने के लिए बहुत ही उपयोगी हैं। और योग जो हम भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार और तिब्बती भाषा में नलजोड़ जो कहा जाता है, वो वास्तव में बहुत ही उच्च कोटि के हैं। वो न केवल शारीरिक समस्याएं और रोग को समाप्त करने के लिए हैं, लेकिन अपने भीतर मानसिक के जो रोग है उसको भी समाप्त करने के लिए योग का ही साधन लेते हैं। योग के प्रकृष्ट रूप जो है, उसी के माध्यम से हमारे भीतर राग द्वेष मोह आदि जितने भी प्रकार का जो मानसिक रोग का मूल जड़ है, उसे समाप्त करने के लिए, उसे कम प्रारंभिक अवस्था में कैसे कम किया जा सकता है और शनय शनय धीरे धीरे आगे जा कर के उसे अंत किस तरह किया जा सकता है, उसकी एक पूरे वैज्ञानिक प्रक्रिया के माध्यम से और उसकी एक जो पूरे सिस्टम हजारों साल से विकसित है इस भारतवर्ष के संस्कृति में, तो वो अपनाएं तो मैं समझता हूँ कि फिर एक मानसिक रोग और जो एक प्रकार के शारीरिक रोग दोनों के लिए बहुत ही उपयोगी हैं। और ये आज लौकिक जन समूह के स्तर पर ला करके एक प्रयोग करने की प्रक्रिया को लाया है। मैं समझता हूँ कि ये बहुत ही एक महत्वपूर्ण है और उपयोगी भी है। और जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये मात्र शारीरिक ही नहीं, मानसिक रोग, जिस प्रकार के हम जीवन में तनाव रहते हैं और परेशानियाँ होती हैं, बहुत सारे शारीरिक रोग भी मानसिक रोग से ही प्रभावित होकर के शारीरिक रोग के रूप में फिर परिवर्तित होता है, प्रकट होता है। और उसको समाप्त करने के लिए मानसिक राग द्वेष मोह को किस तरह से कम किया जा सकते हैं, किस तरह से फिर अंततो गत्वा फिर अंत किया जा सकता है, ये सारी प्रक्रिया जीवन पर्यंत लाना अत्यंत आवश्यक है। मैं आप सबके प्रति, आप सबको मैं ये सलाह देना चाहता हूँ कि ये न केवल एक वार्षिक कार्यक्रम के रूप में मनाया जाए, लेकिन अपनी यहाँ एक औपचारिक रूप से कुछ समय के लिए, एक महीने के लिए कार्यक्रम चलाया जा रहा है, लेकिन अपने जीवन में, दैनिक जीवन में इसे अपनाना चाहिए। और न केवल शारीरिक व्यायाम और अनुलोम विलोम आदि के माध्यम से, अपितु मानसिक योग के माध्यम से मन जो है वो चिंता मुक्त और फिर तनाव मुक्त रहना चाहिए। छात्रों के लिए हो, कर्मचारी के लिए हो, या किसी के लिए भी हो, अध्यापक के लिए हो, किसी भी समाज के कहीं भी किसी भी समाज के किसी अंग से जुड़े हों, सबको एक मानसिक तनाव और आजकल विशेष रूप से विकसित दुनिया में मानसिक परेशानियां, कठिनाइयां बहुत सारी होती हैं। यद्यपि बाह्य सामग्री के भौतिक दृष्टि से संपन्न होने पर भी सबसे अधिक समस्याएं मानसिक समस्याएं होती है, परेशानियां मानसिक स्तर पर होते हैं। तो वहाँ जा कर के मैं समझता हूँ कि ये एक आध्यात्मिक साधना के रूप में यदि जीवन में, अब जहाँ तक आध्यात्मिक साधना की बात है, वो तो आपको एक दिन में कुछ समय चुनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। 24 घंटा आप उसकी साधना कर सकते हैं, 24 घंटा, तभी जा कर के उसमें सफलता होती है। और समस्याएं हर पल पर हो सकती है, तो हर पल पर उसी समस्या का समाधान भी फिर ढूंढ करके, उपयोग करके उसे समाप्त कर लेना चाहिए। यही इस आर्य देश के, महान देश के इतने पुराने संस्कृति जो परंपरा आ रही है, उसका देन है। और आज संपूर्ण विश्व के लिए ये एक बहुत उपलब्धि की बात है और लोगों की इस के प्रति जागरूकता हो रही है। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि हम सभी को इसे अपने जीवन का एक दैनिक जीवन के अंग बना करके उपयोग कर लेना चाहिए। और आप लोगों ने इस शिविर में 1 महीने के लिए भाग लिए हैं। मैं समझता हूँ कि जो नियमित रूप से नहीं करते रहे हैं, उनको 1 महीने में ज़रूर बहुत सारे फ़ायदाएँ देखने को मिले होंगे। तो आगे जा कर के करते रहना चाहिए। और इस शिविर में लगे हुए हमारे फिज़िकल इंस्ट्रक्टर श्री शैम्पेन जी हैं, और इसके अतिरिक्त यहाँ फिर कई लोग लगे हुए हैं कार्यक्रम, इस महीने भर के कार्यक्रम में लगे हुए हैं। और साथ ही साथ हमारे यहाँ कुल सचिव जी भी आए हुए हैं, जो सक्रिय रूप से यहाँ भाग भी लिए हैं और इसके प्रति रुचि भी बहुत दे रहे हैं। तो मैं आप सभी प्रतिभागियों के प्रति आभार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूँ और फिर सुझाव देना चाहता हूँ कि ये अपने जीवन का, दैनिक जीवन का एक अंग बनाते हुए स्वस्थ रहने का एक अपने स्वभाव बना देना चाहिए। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ आप सबको धन्यवाद।